Hi, sweet stampin' friends. Deborah Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. And guys, as you can tell, I have a fun sneak peek of the October Sweet Creations Club projects. If you are not familiar with my Sweet Creations Club, it is a monthly subscription project kit. Usually has about 5 projects. It will include the pre-cut cardstock supplies to make the 5 projects, as well as about $20 in consumable products. That's usually maybe a half a pack of designer series paper, maybe some bling, some ribbon, so that you can make the projects as I have designed them. Also, too, it includes a typed tutorial with pictures so that you can follow along to make your projects. And then if you need it shipped, it includes shipping. The cost for the monthly club is $39, which does include shipping. Now, if you live here locally in San Antonio and you would like to craft with us in person or come pick up your kit, the cost is $34. If you would just like to just try a kit, just see what it's all about, you can do that. And the cost with shipping is $45 to try it out. Now, if you live locally in San Antonio and just want to pick it up, the cost would be $40 for the 1 month non-subscription kit. However, when you're part of my club, you do get some really fun perks. And one of them is a little fun free gift for me when you first join. And then after 6 consecutive months, I send you a gift in the mail valued about $25. So it's always fun to enjoy those project kits for 6 months and get that gift at the end of the 6 months, and then every 6 months after that. All right, so let me tell you about the projects for October. As you can see, really beautiful, fresh fall projects using the Rustic Crate bundle, and to show you some close-ups of what the projects look like. In the October kit, you will be making 4 cards and 1 home decor item. And one of the cards is just a really fun fold card. You can lay it flat for mailing. And then here on the back, you can write your message. And then I thought it would be fun to do a little home decor piece that you can hang up as part of your fall decorations. Now, you will need some certain supplies in order to complete the projects as I have designed them. That would be the Rustic Crate bundle. Now, this is a new bundle in the Holiday 2023 Stampin' Up! Catalog. And so really beautiful fall. You also, too, you got the poinsettias. You can use it for Christmas or you can use it for every day. And then the fun set of dies, which my favorite part of the dies is making that crate box. Really fun. And there is a little tip on using it, so I will share that with you probably in one of my lives to help you out. You will also, too, need some ink pads. You're going to need a basic black ink pad as well as pretty peacock. And you'll need some adhesives. I recommend some Stampin' Dimensionals, some mini glue dots, and some liquid glue or your favorite tape glue. Now, there will be several Stampin' Blend markers that I recommend. However, don't freak out because you can also, I'll tell you a way you can substitute if you don't have all these. One of these is Daffodil Delight. Also, 2, Pumpkin Pie. We have Pool Party. And we have Petal Pink. And then lastly, I only have one. The light one is missing, but Calypso Coral. Now, these are the 5 Stampin' Blend marker sets that I recommend. However, if you do not have all these, don't worry. What you can do is you can either use our watercolor pencils and blend it in with the blender pens, or you can do some watercoloring, or you can take your ink pads if you have any of these colors in ink pads, and then either take an a water painter, or the blends, and you can color it that way. So there's a lot of different options, but if you do need to add any of these to your project kit, then I will definitely be sending out the information for you to be able to do that. Now, I have a really fun promotion for those who are not part of my club. So I wanted to share that with you. So one of the things is I had mentioned about sending a gift every 6 months. I'm going to turn this over. Let's go on ahead. That way I can see you. You can see me a little bit better. All right. So what I do is usually I've been running my club for over about 20 months. And many of my members have been part of my club for like 12 to 18 months or more. Now, one of the fun things is every 6 months, I would send them a gift. The first gift that I would send them would include this really cute little scissor tag charm, right? That they could put on a pair of paper snips, very lightweight. I would have it custom made with their name on it. One little problem with these scissor charms is that some months I would have two people earning, their club gifts. Some months it would be six, four, it could be zero, and it could change, right? Or one. It's getting very expensive for me to pay postage just for a couple of charms when I order them. Also, too, is I would have one gift for the first 6 months, another gift for 12 months, another gift for 18 months. That is a lot to keep up with. So, to simplify things, starting in December, when my current members who are reaching their 2-year mark, I have a really special gift for them. So, what I'm going to do is once that 6 month club gift starts, everybody for the next 6 months, whoever earns it during that time period, will get the same gift. So that way, every 6 months, I can order and everything that I need to for that 6 month block. I'll have it on hand. I don't have to custom order one or two items a month. So I'm switching gears on how I do this. So this will be for October will be the very, very last time that I order these scissor charms. Okay. I would love for you to get this. So, what I'm doing is I am offering a promotion for anybody who joins in October. Now, the subscription period for the October kit runs from September 6th through October 5th, 2023. So, if you join my club and you are a new subscriber, then I will send you that scissor charm with your name on it in your November kit. Now, keep in mind, I am asking you to commit for 2 months, at least the 2 months, October kit and November kit. I'm going to need time to order your charms. Okay. So that way I can send it in your November kit. Now you're probably wondering, okay, Deborah, you're asking me to commit for 2 months. What does November look like? I'm really into October, but I want to know about November. So let me share that with you so you can make an informed decision. So let me move October, really cute projects for October, but we also have cute projects for November kit as well. Now the November kit is going to be featuring the Sending Cheer bundle. And we're going to be making, again, 5 projects. 4 of them are cards. And so we are going to be making these really cute little projects with the little gingerbread, the stockings, and different gifts. And let me see, this one right here, you open it up. And then I feel like there may be, but maybe not. Maybe it was something else. Oh, this one's a gift card holder. If you don't want it a gift card holder, you can just add the trim and you don't have to do the pocket. Then we're also making a wooden tag, a little gift tag that you can put on a gift. And then we're going to make this little cookie type cookie tray card. So that is going to be the November club. Really, really early sneak peek. So October is Rustic Crate. November is Sending Cheer. So if you would like to subscribe to my Sweet Creations Club, you can hop on over to my blog at Simply Sweet Ink Designs. Select the subscription option. That promotion for that name scissor tag charm is only good for subscriptions. If you sign up for the 1 month kit, it will not qualify for the promotion. So make sure you select to subscribe monthly, and you can do that. Make sure you do that by October 5th, 2023, so that I can send it with your November kit. So guys, if you have any questions at all about the October kit or the November kit, I am happy to answer them for you. And I'm really, really excited to send you some fun, happy mail this fall. Take care. Bye, guys.